Hello friends, this is Space Crazy Boy Pratyush and today I will start a series of videos related to space science. In this video, I will share exciting facts about inner planets of our solar system. These are also called terrestrial planets because the surface is solid. Here you can see inner planets and outer planets are separated by the asteroid belt. So let's start a video. So let's start with Mercury. Mercury is the smallest and the innermost planet in the solar system. Its distance from the Sun is 57.91 million kilometers. It takes 87.97, that is around 88 days to complete one orbit around Sun. So length of one day is 58 days, 15 hours and 30 minutes of Earth. It is named after Roman deity Mercury, the messenger of God. It has silicate crust and is a rocky planet. Its radius is 2439.7 kilometers. It is the second dense planet of solar system. First is Earth, 5.515 gram cubic centimeter, and Mercury density is 5.427 grams cubic centimeter. The core of Mercury has highest iron content than any other planet of solar system, and the mass of Mercury is 3.285 into 10 to the power 23 kg. Mercury doesn't have any moons. Your weight in surface of Mercury would be 38% of your weight on Earth. So if you are 80 kgs, then don't worry, you are in wrong planet. Because at Mercury your weight would be 30.4 kgs. Lol, actually it's a very bad idea to go there because its temperature is very high, around 800 degrees Fahrenheit, which is equal to 426.66 degrees Celsius. But Mercury is not the hottest planet. Venus is even hotter than Mercury. This is because Venus has a cloudy layer which traps CO2, which is also known as carbon dioxide, and cause greenhouse effect. So temperature goes up to 465 degrees Celsius on Venus. Venus is the second planet. It is named after Venus, the Roman goddess of love and beauty, because it looks very bright in night sky. It is also known as the sister of Earth, because its size and shape is as similar of Earth. Venus is the second brightest object in the night sky after Moon. That's why it is also called evening or morning star. Length of one day is 116 days and 18 hours of Earth days. It takes 225 Earth days to complete one orbit around the Sun. Its distance from Sun is 108.2 million kilometers. Radius of Venus is 6052 kilometers, and when we double it, we get its diameter. It is the hottest planet. With many active volcanoes, so life can't thrive there. It is like hell. If somebody goes there, he would be crushed into pieces by very high atmospheric pressure. Venus has no moons and it is the only planet which could spin backwards. Earth is a beautiful home where we live with other creatures. It is the third planet of solar system. Earlier during very old times, people thought that Earth was center of universe. But later, Copernicus found that Sun is the center of universe. Although now we know that even this is wrong, because Sun is the center of our solar system. No one knows who named Earth, But we know one fact that rest 7 planets of solar system are named after either god or goddesses, but not our Earth. It's okay because here humans live with plants and animals, but we call our Earth Mother Earth. Now one thing we know that Earth is the most dense planet of solar system. Its density is 5.52 grams cubic centimeter. One important thing is to know that about 70% of Earth is covered with water, so it is also called blue planet. When astronauts went to space and saw Earth from there, it appeared blue. Rest 30% is solid part. Of total 70% of water on Earth, 97.5% is salt water and only 2.5% is fresh water. Of fresh water, only 0.3% is in liquid form on surface. Hence friends, we should save water. Age of Earth is around 4.5 billion years and radius of Earth is 6,371 km. Mass of Earth is 5.972 into 10 to the power 24 kg and distance from Sun is 149.6 million kilometers. One year of Earth is actually 365.25 days. For convenience, scientists added 0.25 extra day of 4 consecutive years to make an extra day, that is a leap year, and which comes after every 4 years and has 366 days, and the extra day is 29 February. Earth has a moon, which is its natural satellite. Its distance from Earth is 3,84,400 kilometers and the radius of moon is 1,737.1 kilometers. Its atmosphere is made up of helium, neon, hydrogen, argon, methane, carbon dioxide, etc. and traces of oxygen. On 20 July 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first human to step on the moon. He and Aldrin walked around for 3 hours and they did experiments and also picked up bits of moon dirt and rocks. Mars is the 4th planet of our solar system and second smallest planet of our solar system. It is only larger than Mercury. It is called red planet because of its color. It is named after Roman god of war. It has the tallest mountain of our solar system called Olympus Mons. The height of Olympus Mons is over 21 km, which is almost 3 times bigger than Mount Everest. It has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. Its radius is 3,389 kilometers. Its distance from Sun is 207.88 million kilometers. Its temperature ranges from minus 87 degrees Celsius to minus 5 degrees Celsius. Its gravity is 37% of Earth's, means with same amount of force to jump you will jump nearly 3 times higher on Mars. Now let's have a look how the landing on Mars would be. 40 missions by man to Mars, only 18 missions were successful. Mars has water in form of ice and it is salty. The Sun appears half of its size from Mars as it appears in Earth. The sky of Mars is pink-red and sunset is blue. This is just opposite to Earth. A day will come in next 30 million years when Mars moon Phobos will get destroyed by gravity force of Mars, and then remains will form a ring which will last for 100 million years. The distance of Mars to Earth is 92.95 million kilometers. Today, space scientists are studying Mars for its habitability, and they are also trying to find signs of past microbial life in Mars and preparing for future human missions in the Red Planet. To pave way for future humans to establish colonies in Mars, the scientists are building best technologies which include testing methods for producing oxygen from Mars' atmosphere, which mainly consists of 95% carbon dioxide, 2.59% nitrogen, 1.94% argon, 0.16% oxygen, and 0.058% carbon monoxide. They are identifying subsurface water, studying Mars weather, dust particles so that future astronauts could live and work in Mars. Mars could be a suitable home for life if scientists achieve all the objectives. It is found that ancient Mars had rice chemistry to support living microbes. It has sulfur, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, carbon, which are necessary for life. As Mars' atmosphere only has 0.16% oxygen, too much radiation, toxic soil, humans require artificial Mars habitats with complex life support system. Scientists from NASA, Roscosmos, ISRO, SpaceX, Lockheed Martin are working day and night to make it happen. Let's have a look how would these complex life support system and Martian colonies would look like. would you like to go to Mars with me? Or you want to remain in the Earth and say goodbye to all the Martians? So friends, with this our video comes to an end. In next video I will share more exciting facts of solar system. Till then, goodbye, namaste, shabba khair, sayonara.